very good gas town and famous bridge in forest views. The price was so incredibly low that I was a little worried at first, but it and number 39, easy to use and I and number 39, am very satisfied. I and number 39, they used it many times. My son, a high school student, used it on a school trip to Canada and it worked without any problems. (24) Code, eSIM. Day, 50. Amazing and fast turnover. I purchased a single-day eSIM for a USA visit. The internet connection worked perfectly everywhere I went, even when inside buildings in NYC. Highly recommended product and will definitely buy again. Activate was also able to connect smoothly on site, which was great. eSIM. I bought it at a discount, the price is very cost-effective, the 5G speed is very fast, and the reception is very stable except in the mountains. I use it all the time. I buy it every time, and I think it and number 39 is convenient because I can use it right away. I also have the opportunity to use it at work, so I and number 39 I'll use it again. It and number 39 is very convenient and easy to use the internet as soon as you arrive at Toronto Airport in Canada. Well, fast reliable internet.